In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter table data in Wix without code. We'll build a simple interactive table that pulls items from your CMS, then add a drop down so visitors can instantly filter what they see. This is perfect for product lists, brand directories, or article libraries, and you won't write a single line of code. Start by adding a table to your page. In the Wix editor, open Add, go to Elements, and choose Table. You can also use a data table or a repeater if that fits your design better. Drag it onto the page and position it where it makes sense within your layout. With the table selected, click the Connect to Data button. In the panel that appears, pick the CMS dataset you want, like products, brands, or articles. The table will automatically populate with all the items from that collection. If your table shows more columns than you need, that's okay. Focus on getting the data connected first. You can fine-tune the look afterward. Next, add the filter control. Open the Add panel again, search for Input, and choose Input dropdown. Place the dropdown above or next to the table so visitors can see it and the results together. Click the dropdown to choose a style that matches your site's look and feel, and add a clear label so people know what they're filtering. Now connect the dropdown to the same CMS data. With the dropdown selected, click Connect to Data, set it to act as a filter option, and choose the field you want to filter by, such as brand, category, or type. Make sure both the table and the dropdown point to the exact same dataset in the Connections panel. This one-to-one connection is what makes the filter work. It's time to test. Click Preview in the top right. Use the drop-down to pick a value, like a specific brand. The table above should update instantly, showing only the rows that match your selection. If nothing changes, double-check that the table and the drop-down are using the same dataset, and that the drop-down is set to filter by the correct field. Also remember, if your dataset doesn't have items for the value you picked, the table may appear empty, which is expected. When everything works reliably, click Publish. From here, you can refine the design and add more filters, like price range or date, using the same input dropdown plus connect to data method for each new field you want visitors to use. That's how you filter table data in Wix without code. By connecting a table and a dropdown to the same CMS dataset and using the dropdown as a filter, you can give visitors an interactive way to sort through your content quickly and smoothly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.